no mercy when facing my rivals. Facing the crash, they getting exposed. I know they be lurking, I'm watching them close. Acting like friends, but really they foes. Thought they be scheming and said adios. Yeah, I gotta get it. Yeah, my enemies. Hey, yeah. I gotta get it, the mindset. I gotta get it, the mindset. Hey, back with a vengeance, back on the grind, back to the business. Hey, God is my witness, they watching my moves like shows they binging. Hey, best keep distance, all of my haters send best of wishes. I get to the bag with the quickness, no I don't need no assistance, no. Yeah, no playing it safe, I said let's get it, you say not today. What can I say, you ain't gon' go for it, get out the way. Yeah, got no time to waste, maybe with me if you're not at my pace. Not at my level, you're not in my race. One foot on the gas, I'm pressing the brakes. You stand with the devil, there's no recital, I'm killing competition, ain't no revival, I shoot it